At Lashley Construction Group, we believe in giving back to the communities that need it most. Today, my family and I are here on the south side of Chicago to help revamp this school with some much needed painting and furniture assembly. If you believe in giving back, hit that like button and drop a comment below. My son, Trent, is handling the taping, making sure the lines stay sharp. Chandler and Shauna are also putting in the work, helping get everything ready for a fresh coat of paint. After the prep work, it's time to build. Trent is no stranger to assembly. His experience as a move coordinator in our family business makes him a natural at putting together these chairs. What's a project you've helped with in your community? What's the hardest thing you've ever had to put together? Let's hear those stories in the comments. Now it's time to get the paint on the walls. A fresh coat brings new life to these spaces, making them feel brighter and more inviting.
Yeah, this tastes like your chicken already.
They act a little crazy, but that's on them.
I'm checking my pocket. I don't know. I don't have.
What I'm doing with it. Oh yeah, so we be doing a little snippet. That's good. Another piece.
Layman is making sure everything gets properly disposed of, so we leave this space better than we found it. Once the painting is done, cleanup is just as important. Meanwhile, Ricky, Chandler, and Lamon are working on cribs for the little ones. Making sure every piece is secure means providing a safe and comfortable space for these kids.
Get something like $5-10.
Oh, so they have to just be lifted off the floor.
Right. Just like whatever is behind there that's getting and push them out. Just throw them all like that.
These cribs aren't just pieces of furniture. They're safe spaces for infants. A place where the smallest members of this community can rest comfortably. Watching my family work together on something so meaningful is a reminder that giving back isn't just about labor. It's about heart.
That's book, but no, do y'all watch Good Times? That's book.
Thank you for watching and following along as we give back to the community. Stay tuned for more projects from Lashley Construction Group. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more of our community projects, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And before you go, drop a comment and let us know. What's one way you give back to your community?